की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल।
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am back again with another video. So as per the poll that I had put up on Instagram, so the majority vote was for PR haul. So let's do it. I know it took me a while to shoot another YouTube video, but here I am. So without wasting time, before watching this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And here we go. Let's start it. So all the PR packages that I'm going to showcase is here right in front of my eye, and this is like the best perks of being a content creator. So there are pros and cons of being a content creator. Let me show you all the PR packages and hampers and the products that I have received in the month of June and July. There are like a lot of PR packages that I have received in these 2 months, but I could put together like जितना मुझे याद था उतने ही PR packages मैं आप लोगों को दिखा रही हूँ, but yeah, there's more. So without wasting time, let's start. So the first package that I have received is from Colgate. This is like the brand जो बचपन से ही हम use करते हैं, and I have received a lot of things, a toothbrush, and I'm sorry I cannot show अंदर क्या है वो आप लोगों को नहीं दिखा सकती because brand ने मना किया है दिखाने के लिए, but इसलिए मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं फिर भी आप लोगों को दिखा रही हूँ. एंड अनदर इज विजिबल वाइट टूथपेस्ट, अ बॉडी वॉश, एंड देर आर द न्यू लॉन्च प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक जो अब तक लॉन्च भी नहीं हुए हैं बट होने वाले हैं, तो वो मैं नहीं दिखा सकती बिकॉज इट्स वेरी कॉन्फिडेंशियल, बट आई अडोर दिस ब्रांड. बचपन से मेरा फेवरेट ब्रांड है. Another product that I received is the oldest and probably the best brand, Oldest Gold. I am a fan of Tata products, and receiving a brand that you admire since your childhood is like something really amazing. It makes you feel like, okay, you've reached there. You've reached one of your goals working with those brands. So here's another product, the oldest and the best in the market, which is Sonata. And I have received 2 very pretty watches. I cannot unbox and show it, but like, yeah, the one is white and the other one is black. Here, these are some really cool watches. I'll be putting up a reel. I have shot the content of this. It's going to go live on my Instagram real soon, so you'll have to also follow me on Instagram, mentioning my Instagram username. Another product that I have received is from Uptowny. This आपने तो ये ब्रांड के बारे में बहुत सुना होगा. So it's like 2 outfits that I have received from Uptowny. I have already unboxed the package because मुझसे रहा नहीं जाता, and I've already posted a reel of one of the outfits, that is this really pretty asymmetric dress. Another dress is my favorite. This is the viral dress which Deepika Padukone wore, and it is like, it was so viral. But since she wore it like ऐसा black color का dress पहना था, and I have a lot of black outfits, so I am trying to experiment other colors. So basically this is the viral Deepika Padukone dress which she wore, and I'll be putting up the reel. The reel is already shot. I just have to make it live. So there is this event which happened, I guess, in the 2nd or 3rd week of June, and we received some amazing hampers. Like, we had to visit the event. It was Flipkart Glam Up event, and there were a lot of creators who actually went to the event and got a lot of, hampers and packages from the brand. So one of the favorite package that I got my hands on from Flipkart X Glam Up event was Cetaphil. I haven't even opened it yet. Cetaphil is like one of the top-notch brands. Also, I got my hands on Revlon products. This is again from Flipkart X Glam Up event. So I still haven't, used any products. This is the booklet, and oops, let me just see. I haven't used a single product. It's kajal, and I received this Revlon concealer. Also received this Revlon eyeliner, Revlon loose powder, a very pretty lip shade, and another lip shade. And I also got this Himalaya ka hamper from, again, Flipkart X Glam Up event. Let's check out, baby, what this has. This box contains a serum, a face scrub, along with a sheet mask, face wash, dark spot clearing face wash, much needed, and a turmeric face pack. Isn't this lovely? I just love the the vibe of this package. I mean, it also has this cute potli जिसमें turmeric है. This smells great. I love it. So cute. And now let's review another package. Another Flipkart X Wishlink event that I had attended. पहले मैंने Glam Up वाला event attend किया, and this was the Wishlink event, which was held in Juhu, Mumbai. And let's open it. I got this book to write where I can write my content creation scripts. Right now I'm already using a book, but then after that book gets over, I can use this book. This really cute keychain. I got a spoil t-shirt. I also got some really cute candles in this. And here comes again my favorite brand, Tira. So I got this Tira hamper which has Dear Dahlia products, and it's a Korean, makeup brand which is launched in Tira. So they sent me their exclusive package which I cannot show it to you guys, but here. And talking about the Flipkart X Glam Up event, so here's the package, and this bag contains a lot of products, like a lot of products. It has Kesh King shampoo, shower gel, contains mixed brands, all the top-notch brands. Again, another Kesh King shampoo. Also has Pure Essence perfume, Wild Stone perfume, L'Oreal mask, the Underarm roll-on from Dr. Shed, which is again one of my favorite brands. This is the Dabur Gulabari face toner. Yeah, so there are like a lot of products. I cannot just show it to you guys each and every product, because then it's gonna take आधा दिन चला जाएगा अगर मैंने इसमें से सब कुछ आप लोगों को एक प्रोडक्ट दिखाया तो. I also attended the very cutest movie screening, which is Despicable Me 4, and this is the cutest hamper that I received. इस hamper में थी Milky Bar और Dark Fantasy biscuit along with a lot of things. So मैंने सारी chocolates और cookies तो खा ली है, but this is the bag. Nivea, again one of my most used brand. I use a lot of Nivea products, and there are a lot of their new launch products which I received. I also got Dermatologica certificate because we played some experiment in the event and I got certified. So I am a certified dermatologist. You guys can contact me if you have any skin issues. Just kidding. Okay, so coming up, next product that I received is from Habits. You might have heard of this brand Habits, which is the oral care brand. So I received an entire kit of their oral care products, and content is yet to be shot, but I'm still showcasing it to you. It has these mouthwashes, a few toothbrushes, and yeah, let me just check. It also has teeth whitening powder. I cannot wait to use it. I mean, who does not need a white pearly like smile? I just cannot wait to use it and like put an honest review on my Instagram. Schwarzkopf. So I attended this brilliant Schwarzkopf event in St. Regis, Mumbai, and I received this amazing hamper. It makes me so happy. मतलब इतना खुश तो कभी मुझे मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड ने भी नहीं किया जितना खुश मुझे टीरा का हैम्पर करता है. Here, इसमें तो मैं हर एक प्रोडक्ट दिखाऊंगी कि मुझे क्या क्या आया. I got this Sky High mascara. I also got this Schwarzkopf again from Minimalist, along with Leave On from Milkshake, sunscreen stick, Maybelline lipstick, hair growth serum from Innisfree, moisturizer from The Formula, Aqualogica, again one of my favorite brands in terms of skincare. I have a lot of favorite brands in terms of skincare because each and every new upcoming brands are just so good and so competitive, but the results overall are so good. I also got this L'Occitane. I can say it's a body balm, which I got it. Just love the packaging of this. I mean, कांच की बॉटल है, अगर गिरी तो सारा बर्बाद हो जाएगा. The Ras Radiance 24K Gold Serum. ऐसा सच में लग रहा है कि ये सोने से बना हुआ है. I mean, look at that. Pretty guy. Last but not the least, I also got this really pretty floral dress from Palago Clothing, and I've already put up a post on Instagram wearing this. So yeah, I think this was all about our today's PR haul that I have received in the past 2 months, which is June and July. So this is the perks of being a content creator, and I just love my job. I mean, I am loving what I am doing. So yeah, this was all, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you want more such PR hauls in the month of August, September, October, then stay tuned. I'll be posting more PR hauls and reviewing all of them. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
हर लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल